Nikola Tesla, a true visionary, was obsessed with electricity. He dreamt of a world powered wirelessly, without the need for messy wires. This dream led him to invent something truly spectacular, the Tesla coil. Imagine a giant metal mushroom erupting with bolts of lightning, and you're getting close to picturing this incredible invention. Tesla, born in 1856, was always fascinated by electricity. He imagined a future where energy flowed freely, just like information does today on the internet. He believed his Tesla coil could be the key to making this dream a reality. The year was 1891 when Tesla unveiled his invention to the world. Little did he know that his coil, designed for wireless power transmission, would become a source of endless fascination and a tool for scientific exploration for generations to come. So, how does this electrical marvel actually work? Imagine a swing. A gentle push every time the swing reaches its peak will make it go higher and higher. A Tesla coil operates on a similar principle called resonance. At the heart of the coil lies a circuit that creates an oscillating electric current. This current, like the well-timed pushes on the swing, energizes the coil. As the energy builds up, the voltage, or electrical pressure, increases dramatically. Think of a balloon being inflated. The more air you pump in, the higher the pressure inside. Similarly, the resonant frequency in a Tesla coil causes a buildup of electrical energy, resulting in incredibly high voltages. This is what gives the Tesla coil its awe-inspiring ability to produce stunning electrical discharges. Tesla's vision for wireless power transmission, unfortunately, faced significant challenges. The technology wasn't quite ready to send electricity through the air efficiently over long distances. However, the Tesla coil found new life in exciting and unexpected ways. In its early days, the Tesla coil played a crucial role in transmitting radio signals. Before antennas became commonplace, these coils were instrumental in sending and receiving information wirelessly. Today, while not as directly involved in communication, they serve as fantastic educational tools. Modern Tesla coils are stars of science museums and exhibitions. Their ability to produce dazzling displays of electric arcs resembling miniature lightning storms never fails to captivate audiences. They offer a visual and visceral demonstration of the power of electricity, making complex scientific principles instantly engaging. While mesmerizing, Tesla coils are not toys. The high voltages they generate can be extremely dangerous if not handled properly. It's crucial to remember that touching a Tesla coil while it's operating is like sticking your finger in a live electrical socket, a very bad idea. Another common myth surrounding Tesla coils is their association with dangerous electromagnetic radiation. While they do produce some, the levels are typically low and pose no significant health risks when operated within safety guidelines. The key takeaway is simple. Admire the spectacle, appreciate the science, but always prioritize safety when dealing with Tesla coils. With proper precautions and respect for the power of electricity, we can enjoy the wonders of Tesla's invention without putting ourselves at risk. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.